Hi there, how's it going? Welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm just going to do some cat eyes on some tips on my practice hand. But I also wanted to show off these, they're 3D nail tips. If I remember right, the company is in Canada, and I just thought these were fun. They're skulls, and I know it's not that time of year yet, but I like skulls, and for me, they're any time of year. And I should also mention, my husband got these for my birthday. He got I think these ones are called Nightmares, or Nightmare. And then he got another one that has little ribbons. So they're 3D. They're super, super strong. And these would be really fun to use if you were doing like press-on nails or whatever, because they're full coverage and everything, but they're really neat. So anyways, I just wanted to tinker with those today and show you that you can do cat eyes using different colors for a base, and it does not necessarily have to be black. And not only that, but I want you to know that you can use any polish with any color, whatever is your favorite. I'm not advertising for anybody, so as mean as that must sound, just, yeah, use what you like. So I'm going to do white on this one. And the skulls I thought would be really pretty with the black and a certain cat eye. I'm hoping it works. I don't know if it will or not, so we shall see. So I'm just going to do, or try and do, one coat of each one, I should say. So I just want you to see that you can use anything you want. No rules. This went on a little thicker than I wanted it to. Okay. So the skulls, we're going to do black. Some of these, as far as the cat eyes go, they may need 2 coats of the cat eye polish. Well, these are neat. I feel so bad I haven't used any of them yet. And I kept meaning to do a little video on them, but what better way than cat eye, right? And then all right, I'm hoping that's showing up. And then on this one, we're going to use like a builder gel, just a clear pink, just to show that what these cat eyes or cat eye polishes look like on lighter colors. might be able to get away with one coat on this one. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to say yes. All right, so now I'm going to cure these, and then we're going to come back and do cat eyes. All right, so what I usually do when I'm working on clients, woo, I don't want that to fall off. I do one nail at a time because I've learned that when you do the cat eye design, and then if you do each one and then you put it in the lamp, by the time you get done with this one has kind of already, the particles have already kind of dispersed or fallen apart or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to start with the pinky. I usually start with the pinky. I don't always do that like I should, but it just is a lot easier to not mess up. So this may or may not, it might be 2 coats. So how I do this is I'll put 1 coat on, cure it, and then come back and do the 2nd coat. And before curing that, I'll use the magnet. All right, so I'm going to cure this really quick and then be right back. All right, so that is done curing. We're going to put a 2nd coat on. One section up here does not want to play nice. All right, so I have 2 different magnets that I like to use, and they're just these. A lot of these you can get off of Amazon or wherever. Okay, I'm hoping you can see that. So here's the first one. I'm really praying that's picking it up. So I'm going to cure that real quick and then be back for another one. All right, so I guess I should mention when I do the cure, I'll just do like a quick cure, just a 10-second one, just to keep it from going out of line. And then I'll go back and do a full cure. All right, so now we're going to do this one. Not the color I'm looking for. All right. So on this one I want to use, it's a green. It's so pretty. It's got gold tones and everything. So anyways. I think we're going to do a 2nd coat as well. I want these to just really pop. All right, I should probably clarify something. So when I do the 1st coat, like I just did on this one, I do a full cure. And then when I come back and I do the 2nd coat and I do the magnet and everything, that one's just a quick cure, just a 10-second one. And then, like I said, when they're all done, they get 60 seconds in the lamp. Because you don't want anything under-cured. All right, look at that green. All right. So All right, so I'm going to cure this real quick. Just a quick cure. All right, this is the one I'm excited to do. Can you see that detail? I'm hoping I didn't mess it up. Okay, so I have, let's see here. Not that one. Hold on. I have these all messed up. Okay, so this is the one I want to use. And I'm super excited about this. I'm really, 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 really hoping this one works because I want it to just show the effects. 3D effect. I want those skulls to pop. Okay, here we go. Oh my, okay, I'm loving it. Okay, so I'm gonna cure this one. I'm not gonna put a second coat on that just because I don't wanna lose all of the 3D effect. So again, I'm just gonna do a quick cure and then we'll move on to the next one. All right, so we've got these ones semi-finished, and then I'm going to put this one. Definitely doing 2 coats on this one. I'm not going to do the whole nail. Just going to go up a little ways. And then fan it out a little bit. Okay, and like I said, we're going to do 2 coats on this one. So this one gets a full cure, and then we'll be back in just a sec. All right, so we're going to do our second coat. I know what I want, I'm just not getting it. Hold on. All right, so now I'm going to cure this real quick, and it will be a full cure because that's the last one. All right, so these are finished, and they just need to be top coated. Some people like to use matte top coats on these, and I don't know, sometimes it's pretty, sometimes, I don't know. It just depends on what you want or what your clients want. So I am going to just use a no wipe shiny top coat on these. I'll part of me wants to show you what the mat looks like. I'm just not impressed. I just don't think it looks as pretty. But, I don't know. So I'm just going to top coat these really quick, and then they'll be done. So yeah, when you're doing cat eyes, just look at the cat eye color that you have, and then decide, you know, if you want to use another color underneath it, because it does not have to be black. And I do like this one with the white. When the light hits it just right, it's got a coppery color to it. Just pretty. All right, so let me cure these real quick. All right, so these are finished. They're cured. I'm hoping that these are getting the lights picking it up. Anyways, if you liked this video, please comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll be back again shortly with another video. Cheers.